What is up, guys? Cubing here, and today we are going to be solving the Kilominx. There's someone outside. Okay, so let's just get it scrambled. And okay, so here it is all scrambled. So what you want to do is, if you want, you can start on one of the whites. So we got a white right here. It's right here. Let me start on any white since there's no middle piece. So yeah. So what this piece is, the white piece, it's a purple and a yellow. So we can either start on purple or yellow. I'm gonna start on yellow. So we gotta find a white piece with yellow on it. Here it is. Now we just gotta try to move it to the slot where white is, where yellow and the white is. So you just gotta move it right under. Now this won't happen a lot, but like, wait. Okay, so this is what you want to do. So what you want to do is have the piece that you want to go up here under, and you got to do an algorithm, which will be right here in this corner. So what the algorithm is, you'll be able to do it easily yourself since it's an easy algorithm. So the algorithm is R prime D prime R D. So I kind of moved it up a bit. You just got to keep repeating and doing that. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Don't forget to do the last one if it gets already there. So now we have it here. And we got to do it with the other piece. So let's go for blue, I guess. So find the blue piece right here, move it again right under the slot where you want it, right here. That's another one right there. R prime D prime R D. I got lucky this time because it already went in. So we got this part. Let's do red. Now we gotta look around for a red piece. Here it is. Move it under. Once again, R prime D prime R D, 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 R prime D prime R D. So we got here. I'm gonna switch to the other side. Last one, because there's only gonna be one last white piece. R back under, R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R D, R prime D prime R and D. And you should have the first layer solved. Right there. So now we gotta solve the corners right here of each piece. So it's the exact same concept as the top part. So let's do the green right here. This one. See this one. So that one right there, we need to find a green and a purple piece. Dark green. Just gotta keep searching. It'll take a little bit, and I found it. So all you gotta do is move it to where you want it to be. So, well, mine was easy, but like you'd have it like right here. So let me just. Okay, so you want it to be right here. That piece, you gotta put it right here. Move it to its side and do the same thing. R prime as the first algorithm. R prime D prime R D, 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 R prime D prime R D. Just keep repeating R prime, D prime, R, and D. So now we got this part right here solved. And now we just gotta do the same thing with the rest. So, green and red. The piece for green and red's right here. Move it to the green and red slot. Okay. R prime, D prime, R, D. 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 D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Right? So we got the green side not solved, but you know. And we gotta do the rest. So red and blue, it's already in its right slot. Gotta move right here. Right there. So R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, and D. So now we got the red side solved. So you just gotta keep repeating every side. You don't really need to see me do it since you'll be able to do it, but I'll keep this on. Next, blue and yellow. Here it is. Okay, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. And there we go. So all we need is the green and purple piece right here. And the purple and yellow piece. So let's do the purple and yellow piece. So okay, so here it is, I found it. Move it to its near its slot. R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, and D. Alright, got almost all the faces on the top layer solved. We just gotta do this purple one. So purple and dark green. So sometimes you can't find it at the bottom layer. It's gonna be already right here. So yeah, just gotta take that out with the R prime, D prime, R, D. Move it to its right place. Okay, then R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, and D. So there, we got this part solved. Now we gotta do these. So there will only be one piece left, so it'll be easy. So here we got purple right under there. Again, R prime, D prime, R, D. Already got it. Blue, already under. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, and D. Sorry if I'm being too fast on this. So we got this side solved. And the purple side solved. I just did the yellow. Purple side solved. So let's do the other ones. Here's red. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime, D prime, R, and D. Okay, we got red. Now we just need yellow and green. So green's already under there. R prime, D prime, R, and D. Already done. So our last one right here is yellow. It'll be easy. Just try to find the yellow piece. R prime, D prime, R, D. 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 R prime, D prime, R, and D. And you'll have the first layer of your Kilominx or Kibaminx solved. So now you want to go to the bottom, and to change up how you want this to be is you want to solve the gray side now. So you want to have these pieces that are inverted are on its side. So don't do anything with this piece or you'll mess up your cube. So what you want to do is go to any of one of these, have it on the right side. To you it's going to look like the left side, but to me it's the right side. Then do the algorithm again. R prime, D prime, R, D. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R and D. So what that's gonna do is it's gonna mess up the bottom part, but that's okay. It'll be all okay. So you do not rotate the cube. Just move to the next slot using a U move. Make the gray piece go to the right and do the same thing. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R and D. Do the same thing with the rest. Right side. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. Alright, we're getting closer. So we already got that part done. So we have the last part. Move it. Remember to do the last D move. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R and D. So see, now we have the gray solved and the rest of the cube is intact. But you'll see that there's two cases that you can get. So one of the cases that you mostly get is a bar case. So you'll say that, look, it's already almost done. See, you've got that solved right there, and you got a bar right here. You don't want that. So what you have to do, have it on each side right here. Face that part in front of you. And here's a different algorithm right here. This is going to be a bit hard for you, but just keep trying and you'll do it. So I have a few notes because I can't really remember the algorithm. So here it is. So sorry if I look to the side. So the algorithm is R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, and face. So what that's going to do is there's no longer any bars on the cube. So what you want to do now is you want to try to get from here. See, you're going to have this. You won't want this, but you're going to need something different compared to that. So what you want, this will be the second case, which is you can already have. So you want to keep just turning the top layer, finding matches. If you find one match, that's good, but that's not what we want. We want two matches. So you got to try to find two matches. See? So just do it again. One match, two match. Not exactly what, actually, it is what we want. So what we want is to have one of the matches this side and the second match over here, away from you. It can't be right here, all the way in the back. So have the first match facing you that way, and this side completely nothing. And you have to do the algorithm again. R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, and face. And sometimes it won't be all, and, well, yeah, sometimes it won't solve it completely. That's okay, just do it a second time. And you should have solved your Kilominx. And that's it. So, yeah. You can now solve your Kilominx. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's how you solve the Kilominx. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.